Every QA team has the same problem. They have tests, thousands of them. Yet regressions still ship to production. The same checkout flow breaks again. The same mobile browsing issue comes back every sprint. Not because teams lack tools, but because QA rarely learns from past failures. Every product team accumulates bug history, thousands of tickets describing how the system actually breaks. But that data is never turned into future test coverage. QA today is blind to its own history. This is where RelentlessQA enters. We target the head of QA and engineering managers at fast-moving product teams. These teams ship frequently, and regressions keep repeating. The key insight is simple. Production bug patterns are the most direct signal of future failures. RelentlessQA turns that signal into action. It ingests bugs and tickets, identifies recurring failure patterns, generates regression tests from those patterns, and executes them in real browser flows using TinyFish. It doesn't create more tests. It creates the tests that actually catch regressions. This is RelentlessQA running on a real production system. It has ingested over 2,500 bugs and tickets from a live e-commerce storefront. From that history, the system identified high-risk areas and generated targeted regression tests. Here's one example. This test was generated from past accessibility bugs. TinyFish executed it on the live site and found missing iframe labels. These are real violations. And importantly, these bugs had already been marked as fixed in the bug tracking system. RelentlessQA caught the regression that the existing test suite missed. And this runs continuously. Test suites are scheduled and executed automatically on real user flows, detecting regressions as they reappear. This only works because of TinyFish. Our tests are dynamically generated from unstructured bug patterns. They don't have predefined scripts or stable selectors. TinyFish makes these test intents executable in real browser environments. Without TinyFish, this is just analysis. With TinyFish, it becomes real execution. What's true today? We've analyzed over 2,500 production tickets, uncovered 20-plus critical regressions on a live system, and identified high-risk areas with no regression coverage. This was built and deployed in 4 weeks, and is now being taken into a live development pipeline. We are raising $400,000 pre-seed to hire a technical co-founder and onboard enterprise design partners. If you run a fast-moving product team and regressions still ship despite your tests, we want to work with you. We turn production bug history into continuous regression coverage. Stay relentless with RelentlessQA.